This is what exactly the VEED water do looks like. The first chamber of water filtration filters the water and sends it to the filter tank. The impure water collected from it is then sent to the second chamber of electrodialysis. The pure water from this chamber is then sent to a filter tank, and impure water is filtered into the third part. The first chamber consists of many cartridges which filter 60% of the water. Here you can see the whole system. The water is being filtered into the filter tank. The second chamber of electrodialysis separates the ions, the cations and anions present in the water with the help of ion exchange membranes. The third chamber of vacuum evaporation. Here we are showing you a glass which has containing the water of approximately 18 degrees Celsius temperature. We are gonna increase the temperature of this whole system using vacuum evaporation and bring it to a range of 60 to 70 degrees Celsius. Here is the experimentation stage. We have reduced the pressure of this whole system and sucked out the air from it. There's a compressor. Right, the pressure is going down and vacuum is created into this chamber. Significantly, its temperature is rising. Now, we have released the pressure and you can see that the water droplets has condensed over this whole system. And using again this thermometer, we are going to test the temperature of our glass. You can see in this video that the temperature is significantly rising. It has reached to a range of 47 degrees Celsius. And this was all about VEED water, the 85% efficient system of water filtration.